mo bi Africa pa ewo attention TV so. Eye 16 December ya na akronfo bi ko wi ade ewo Accra ma mo bi ntina aposifo chenti sa akronfo se ne be ya won sabe kom. Enti chensi nim na ise tuotutuo bi akukọ so ewo ya aposifo ni anrobes fo ni ntem. Enti ye nua ba bi ono ogira ne ba bi a wonim ne ekoso ba bi a etuo ekana. Etuo ne hu sa aposifo na dia bo no se ya robes fo no so na dia bo no ye nua ba sabre de wato nananom ewon sie do na aposifo eyomadwuma ekotua ye munu anase hihye bia wo se mo ne abusua ye bia aposifo tu ho anamom emom koye sa hihye ni na sabre de sister no wo she fridge mu na we na eye papa Kofi Oduro Reverend Kofi Oduro anase prophet Kofi Oduro o man kwaje nsem ewo YouTube anase ye yi ne free won wono de ye friend papa meka bi e ba meka wono de fire ya wo se we nyina etu ekokoso ya aposifo sebe moja moyire ne mo ma ho na mo yes adwuma ya wo bi ataki muso bebo mutu am no defense muso munya na munko ne bi hwese mo aye sa mo akohwere obi ba sebre ne ma me wo no kra ba asase so won hyeda nyi bia na won wo ba bia ma asase so wa hwere ne nkwa na we kra pa se ne nyina yo ma ne mu ya aye dinti na we nyina ekoso na wo susu kra sini pi san tu asofo nyina afo se 31st we sanka asofo bia boso mu yeda won kofa police na o mawie na so dana no anase o me guide no se ne be ya nipa bonfo asese o mai mo aye dinti o mu so ayo madwen so o me bedi ewu sa no e wo se ye boa ye ho Mr. Yenti papa Kofi Oduro emra sese a
young lady was standing just by her own endeavor and enterprise at Pig Farm yesterday. The police are conducting an operation for there is a gang they are trying to clamp down. The gangs are armed. Me, I have told the police many times, because the criminal has a mind to kill you. Yeah, the criminal has a mind to kill you. So don't go and stand there to be joking. Unfortunately, yesterday, there was a stray bullet. Stray bullet went and hit a lady. I stand here to commiserate with the family of that lady. Diewate, munuyewai. When you make one chichimo villa, Sabreya, Yekodi Bronye. Over dear Mama, this is a painful one. I come for all over the place. Sometimes you beginning what wouldn't I want you to tell now? Do you know what we are all going through? Now we'll be asked for no castle bebo pronqua see a life mama sorry after 2 the shape pomo we are not the akujina we so no ajina the akuja I'm going to see I didn't want to on one mood in what will be into me and can arrange the moon pit will be out in Quakwa. And I'm telling these guys, God is a rewarder. I say, even if the laws of this country do not come against you, the vengeance of God will. Oh, the vengeance of God will. And this is why people don't end well. You see somebody is mad at the age of 26 walking on the street and you feel the witches in their hometown. No. Their carelessness and their recklessness and their frivolity and looseness and stupidity is what is doing that. Because of you people, somebody's mother is dead. If there was no crime, the police will not be there. There will be no shootout. Nobody would die. We'll have a nice Christmas and 2024 is here. Yeah, crime. I'm telling government, you better up your game because your performance is very low. You are doing very poor. You are performing abysmal. Yeah, I'm telling the government of Ghana and Jubilee House, this is why crime is rising up. This is why very soon anybody driving a Land Cruiser will be in trouble. I'm telling you, because people now will forcibly attack you to take whatever you are holding. Because when people are hungry, they become desperate. And the police people, we are even putting their lives on the risk. I'm telling you. But sorry now, you know, and the kind of arms that these criminals are using, you ask yourself, where did where did it come from? You have no idea. When I went to South Africa, you will not believe the kind of security that was given. I thought, like, am I a threat like that? If they say, hey, prophet, allow us to do our job. They rented a private security. The church could not even drive me to church. It was the security people. I was in a security car, armed security car, up and down to church. I think. They said, if you try here, we have heard of you here. The things you say, people will finish you one time. I'm crying here. To me, sorry, demo the two altar so Emma Sofu Bungo to you. Now we are walking handsome. They will finish you one time. You better keep quiet and let us do our job. Yeah, Connie, but the pastor, my host could not even have time to be talking to me in a prof. How is it? Nothing like this. I'm sitting in a bulletproof vehicles. Why? Why am I pay? Yeah. I mean, the first time, one Sunday morning, I saw a person. They said, hello, and all that. One person is coming to tap the way the security. Hey! I'm saying, hey. I says, prophet, here we don't trust anybody. We are in church. We are in church. They say, no. We don't know church. We don't trust anybody. I don't know. I don't know. Come dinipa, come. I'm telling you. We are creating a security threat. You don't know, I'm telling you. Now when you are traveling, recently, you know, last 2 weeks, there was a shootout between the Tamale and the up north. Shootout. People are just traveling, going on their duty. Driver was shot. They shoot into buses. Where did they get all these arms? Shoot into buses. I pray the peace of God over this nation, especially whilst we are entering into an electioneering year. May God have mercy upon Ghana, and may God alleviate us from hardship and all this animosity. May God have mercy on us and heal our land. Stand to your feet. Let's close.
Prophet Kofi Oduro akasa yebeti makra.